everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the coupons that we are getting this Sunday, May 19th, 2019. I haven't looked at it, but there are some decent coupons out. One thing I do want to share with you guys is the site that we're looking at is my favorite site that gives me coupon information. It's SundayCouponInserts.com, so you guys can actually check out that site and see what inserts if you guys are interested in getting so many newspapers. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. So we got all laundry. We're getting $2 off the bigger ones, the single dose, and then we're getting $1 off coupon. So there might be some great deals coming up soon with that. I know with Walgreens there's buy one get one free going on sale, which you can only use one coupon. Ben & Jerry's, we're getting $1 off coupons, which is awesome. Or that's for the slices. Here the pints, $1 off of 2, which I love. So, and those are going to be 2 for $8 at Walgreens. So there's that. Betadine, I'm not sure really what that is. Breeze Right strips, we got $2 off 8-count. Cheez-It Snaps, we're going to see a lot of deals for these, but right now I think there's a 75% off coupon on coupons.com that you guys can print off of that. Dunkin' Donuts, Flonase, Garnet Fructis, now we're getting new coupons for $3 off of 2. Hellmann's mayonnaise or sauce, $1 off of that, plus $1 off the ketchup. So you're going to see a lot of deals with ketchup and mayonnaise and mustard lately, so get ready to stock up on that. Kellogg's cereal, we're getting $1 off of 3, which is a great, sometimes great coupon. L'Oreal, lots of L'Oreal coupons. Magic Root, so that's hair dye. M&M's, Snickers, Dove, Twix candies, we're getting $1 off of 2. Neutrogena, Nexium, Perrier, Pringles, 35 cents wavy coupons, so there might be that, plus there might be a deal in Ibotta. Skittles, $1 off the American Mix, so those are the ones that are red, white, and blue, off of 2. We're getting $1 off of 2 Snuggle, which you guys can use this coupon on the Walgreens, buy one get one free on if you buy 2 Snuggle. And Splenda, so that's what's in the Revlon, or what's in the RetailMeNot. And now the SmartSource, we're getting Allegra, I see Allegra all the time. Applebee's, Banana Boat, BC Product, not sure what, oh, that's that stuff I think you put in a drink. Chobani, $1 off of 5. Chobani Clear Eyes. Now here we got Colgate mouthwash, 50 cents. We also have Colgate toothpaste for 50 cents. So those are not the greatest, but there might be some digital coupons or printable coupons that are going to be better than that. Compound, Cortisone, Cottonelle, 50 cents. Dentex, we do have a $3 off any, and then we're also getting $1.50 off of anything priced $1.75 or higher off of 2. So that's kind of cool. Dramamine, Dukes, Fiji, Fleet, Goody. I've never heard of half of these products. A lot of suntan stuff. Hidden Valley, Huggies diapers, we're getting 3 off of 2. Wipes, $1 off of 48. That's a great coupon. $1. Usually it's 50 cents. Johnson Baby, $2 off. Another Johnson, $1 off. So it just depends on what it is. Crystal, Lacombe. My husband loves these drinks. I've never seen a 4-pack before, but we got a 4-pack for $2 off. And then it looks like it's buy one, get one free. So I'm hoping we get those coupons because my husband loves those drinks. Never seen those before. Orlando Frost, Monistat, Nabisco, we're getting 75 cents off of 2. Nasacort, Nivea. Now we're getting bug stuff, 75 cents, $1. OxyClean here is, so it looks like we might be getting a $2 off printable coupon. I've never seen that before. That's weird. It might be on, well, we'll see what goes on. But here's other OxyClean for $1, 50 cents, $1. Phillips pull-ups, we're getting 3 off of 2. Purina. Scott's, 50 cents, Summer Eves. Kotex, $1 off of 1. Those are not the greatest, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Pistachios, Zysol, and Zest. So those are what we are getting for the inserts. I think we're getting pretty decent inserts, so I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.